Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute and fun belly chain using some cat's eye beads and smiley face beads. So let's get right into it. First, grab your wire. I'm just going to go ahead and begin by stringing the beads onto the wire one by one. Once all the beads are on the wire, grab your crimp cover and insert the wire from the bottom of the crimp cover hole and pull it all the way down to where it meets the beads. Then grab your crimp beads and slide them onto your wire. Then you want to take the tip of your wire and insert it back into the crimp beads as if you're creating a knot around the crimp bead with a wire. Just pull it all the way through. I like to also grab my plier and use that to pull it even more so you have a tighter loop right over here. Then you can grab your crimper tool and use the bottom section of the crimper tool first that looks like a heart and insert that onto one of the crimp beads. Press down so it creates a little heart shape, and then go back and do it to the second crimp bead as well. Then turn your crimp beads perpendicular and insert it to the top circle and press down, and it should look something like this. Then you can go ahead and grab your cutter and cut that excess wire off. Then go back and grab your crimp cover and slide that all the way down to where it meets the crimp beads, and use your plier to close the crimp cover shut on top of the crimp beads. Then you want to give yourself enough space to work with on closing the second side of the wire. Cut the wire, then grab your second crimp cover and insert it onto the wire from the bottom. Slide that all the way down to where it meets the beads. Then grab your crimp beads and slide those onto the wire as well, and you want to pull them all the way down to where they meet the crimp cover. Before closing off the second side, you always want to make sure that the beads are not tense on the wire, because this could cause the wire to eventually snap. Once you're ready, grab the tip of your wire and insert it into the crimp beads and create that little knot around the two. I like to use a plier and use that to push down the crimp beads near the crimp cover. Pull the string up, and this is going to secure the crimp beads close to the crimp cover. It should look something like this. Then grab your crimper tool and repeat the same thing we did for the first side to this side as well. Once you've crimped them down, use your cutter to cut that excess wire off. Then use your tool to close the crimp cover over on top of the crimp beads. Next, grab your jump ring and use your set of pliers to open them up side to side. Grab your clasp and attach it to the jump ring. Then attach the jump ring to the crimp cover. Then use your set of pliers to close up the jump ring. Pass it and then come back to where they meet. And notice how you hear that click. That's a good sign, and that will indicate that your jump ring is fully shut. Grab another jump ring. In this case, I'm using a slightly larger one than the one I used on the clasp. That way the clasp can hook onto this one more easily. Then open it up and attach it to the end of the crimp cover and use your set of pliers to close it up. That's it, guys. That's literally all you need to do to create this super fun belly chain. You can also find these earrings that I'm wearing, as well as the chains that I have made into bracelets and rings, all from AthenianFashions.com. They're all wholesale prices, meant for you to buy and resell with your jewelry line. So be sure to check all our components out. And if you live in the LA area, come visit us in store in downtown LA. We'd love to see you guys and meet you guys in person. Be sure to check the description down below so you can shop all the parts that I use in this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.